Welcome back to the Earth and Bloom channel, everyone. We got a pretty good day in the yard here. We got a little bit of light left and just enough to show you what pulled into the yard here. And we're gonna have a lot more videos on this, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and then you'll stay updated on it. So here it is. This is our new sawmill for the farm. You may have seen a few shorts of me waiting on this. We've ordered this for 2-3 months ago, maybe 2.5 months. I think we've been waiting on it at least. But this is a Vallee sawmill powered by a Honda. So it's got a Honda GX 690 on it, electric start. As you can see, there's only 1 hour on it. So we got 1 hour. This one does have the tandem axle option, so it rides a lot smoother. There's 6 jacks, 2 in the center, 2 on that side, 2 on that side. This is the Green Monster Wide version. So my operation here, I don't do a whole lot of dimensional lumber. I'm mainly just slabs, doing slabs like this. So this was the first log I cut on it, just a small little 3-foot tulip. So yeah, mainly doing slabs or shelving, so we'll square off one side. So we got a removable tongue on this side, 4 main stabilizers on each corner. They're just threaded. Cant stops for big logs. And what's neat about this one, because you won't be using the big stops all the time for big logs, the full width, you can use it as just a standard width one. So you got these secondary stops, one there, one there, one here, and these are your big stops here. So they flip up. They flip up and just lock in with the T handle. And they got a roller on the top. So there's 3 of those as well. And to loosen it, just give her a little loosen. Yeah, we'll pop open this hood. So they use like a trailer style bearing on this. This looks like a machined one. And it's not cast on the smaller ones, it's just a standard cast trailer hub, I believe. So I don't know what trailer hub this is, or if it's especially machined for the Green Monster. I'm not sure, but it is a 5-bolt trailer hub, bearing cap in there to grease. You got a removable boat tank to fill up, 12-liter capacity. To open it, it's just one of these on each side. So up-down system, uses a winch, electric winch, and cable pulleys pulling on each side. You got the same adjustable here. This is adjustable. Slide that back and forth. And of course, just your standard Honda. Again, your 2 leveling jacks and then your stabilizers. I'll turn the key on here. So this is your up-down button. There is no clutch on this. So the motor slides on that bar there. and it slides with this handle. So this handle will tighten your belt. It pushes on this here, this air chuck, to start the fluid, and around the front here, this bar here will engage your throttle to full throttle. So they say it's the one-step go system. It does seem to work pretty good. And on the back, when you pull it back far enough, there's a brake right there, and that just goes into the V groove of the pulley and slows the blade down quicker. Same thing on this side, adjustable roller guide. And then, yeah, this is the Vallee gauge system. So it's already pre-measured for 4-inch, 3-inch, 2-inch, 2.5, 1 3/4, 1.5, and so on. So that seems to be a pretty nice ruler. So for those slabs there, I used the 1.5-inch scale, and it all came out at 1.5. So I did have to adjust it a little bit to get it bang on, but it is working. So this is a aluminum plate that's plasmaed out on a plywood. This is a plywood backing. They say they use plywood to prevent blade damage. If it comes off, it'll just dig into this, and it's easy to replace. Just unscrew this plate, trace out your plywood, and cut a few new ones out. So I do kind of like that. And just standard Sawmill stuff in here. This is your adjustable guide, water system, and these run a 1.5 inch blade, so they're a bigger blade by 203 inches or something like that. And the cams, or the locks, these are actually pretty nice. They're like a cam lock, but they can get pretty tight. But you'll see those in action, but they actually do work pretty good. I like those so far. I've only put half an hour on it, so far so good. But the one thing I did like about these mills, they're all pretty, it's all pretty basic stuff. Like, there's no proprietary parts on it per se. Something goes wrong, it's all easily fixable from local stuff. So yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you want to see more on this. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and we'll get right back to you. Maybe we can help each other out in this community. So yeah, let's throw a log on this and cut one more before we run out of daylight, eh? So I'm just gonna clean this up and we'll get another log on here. It is a fully manual mill, so keep that in mind. You'll need some machinery. Alright, we're losing daylight quick, but get a few shots for you. I think this one, I'm gonna do a 90 and then we'll slab it down so they can be butterflied. We'll see how well it cuts that way. This is a tulip log, so should have some nice colors for you. That will fire her up just above there. Perfect. Well, as you can see, we're losing light quick, but there's the first couple cuts for you. And this is the tulip. It comes out super nice, so. Here's this, the other half of that slab. Nice. So that's the first little peek for the green Monster Wide sawmill for you. We're gonna have lots more on this. We'll learn this mill together, and we'll figure out what we like, what we don't like about it. But here's hoping it cuts good. So far it's been cutting square, and that's all we can hope for. So if you guys enjoy seeing the sawmill stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below there. Smash that like button and leave a comment. And then hopefully we can get more of this stuff out to you. And hopefully in better light. But the days are so short here now. Anyways, I'm gonna get this log finished. Thanks for joining in. We'll catch you guys in the next one.